right. I hope you're doing well here on this beautiful Wednesday. And everything is going up, right? Bitcoin, as of this second, jumps to new record high $65,000. Wow. S&P 500 plus 0.25% to 1%. Sorry. Yeah, it's a kind of fantastic days now currently to be on the stock market if you are a bull, right? If you have noticed, beside this bull on the New York Stock Exchange, there is now also a big ape. Let me show it to you. It's basically the ape statue, Wall Street. Before we diving into space, we have to have some general things to laugh about. So they just put this huge ape in front of the bull in New York, which is quite funny, and put all around bananas towards the bull. Which is quite funny. So yeah, this is, by the way, the ape that was shooten down in the zoo of Connecticut because a child fall down, and so they make this huge statue. So yeah, interesting story about that. So yeah, what happened with space? Space actually plus 2%. Another good day for space, and this is what I said. Okay, I said that we might see a very nice and quick recovery. And if we zoom in, all right, let's just have a look into the last 5 days. And this is what I said. We might see first a crash, okay, then another day or two lower prices, which we saw. But then on the 18th of October, where the price hit $19, it seems that we got a temporary bottom. And if you think about everything and what happened, it makes sense, right? I mean, how much a stock can fall when nothing much, changed, right? They changed the schedule. They might add 1 or 2 months, but that's space travel, right? So I think we might have seen the lowest point here, because there's another couple of factors, guys. As more as you are into Twitter, for example, more you see positive news about it seems to go from here only more up. Okay, what does it mean? Let's say, for example, Markus Koch, which is a good German guy from the Wall Street, and he posted 2 pictures today, or retweeted 2 pictures today. Seasonality, as you can see here, is always going higher towards end of the month and end of the year. And also I think that here's another nice graphic that was done by Fundstrat, which is a company of Mr. Tom Lee, one of our favorite guys on Wall Street. Also here implies a 7% up potential to almost 4,800 in the S&P 500. This could be, right? So we always say this consolidations, then we see a little bit of an uptick, consolidation, uptick, consolidation, and now it seems like at 450.12 we might see from here a 7% uptick. Could be, okay? It seems like the overall strength into the market is pretty good. The seasonality is there. The earnings are coming out and are pretty good so far. Tonight will be Tesla. I try to be online for the Tesla earnings. That's pretty much it. I mean, it's quite interesting to see what's going on with Tesla. I really hope that we will see a fantastic quarter by Tesla, a company that unfortunately sold too early a little bit, but it had a huge gain with many out of you guys. And with that said, let us have a look also who's joining today. We have people from Connecticut, Florida, Portugal, Denmark, Netherlands, and Hugo, one of our very, very old subscribers, is asking, with a period of 8 months without big catalysts, what could lead the stock to a nice recover? Well, I actually, funny that you asked, because today I recorded a video with the top 3 catalysts that could bring the stock much higher even in the next upcoming weeks. Okay, so all the short-term catalysts, which one is obviously the overall market, as you can see, but there's also much other catalysts that I will discuss in tomorrow's video, so make sure to stay tuned. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Wolf of Dubai Danny, and also make sure to smash that like button. That's always highly appreciated. I have seen here also people from Ireland and Kosovo, which is fantastic. There's one more thing I wanted to talk about. I think Morgan Stanley downgraded Virgin Galactic as well. Okay, let us have a look if I will find it real quick. Oh yeah, here. Virgin Galactic could face near selling pressure due to lock-up period. So as you know, the lock-up period is just a couple of days away. So this will be quite interesting. Morgan Stanley keeps an underweight rating on Virgin Galactic space and lowers its price target to 17 from 25. The firm no longer assumes Inspire will be built, along with a push to the right of Delta entry into the service of 2026. Morgan Stanley also warns on the potential downwards pressure on the stock as the lockup period ends 25th of December. The number of shares exiting their lockup periods is material, making up about 28% of all shares outstanding and 38% of free float trade shares. In our view, there's potential for another material move lower in the stock given the number of shares exiting the lockup period. Also, investor positioning looks to be bearish in the near term given short interest on the stock sits around 11.3%. So that will be quite interesting to see if the other way, the bearish arguments here that, okay, there's the lockup period, some shares will be sold by then. That will be the question over the next couple of days, but make sure to see that obviously here first. And everything is possible. The market is crazy. We are standing now, as of this moment, with the S&P plus 0.32, 4,534. Who have thought that, right? Who have thought that, considering all of the health crisis and everything, it was a great opportunity to make a lot of money. So I hope you did that. And with that said, thank you very much and have a wonderful rest of the day, and see you later for the